Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to register a Starlink account. First, go to the official Starlink website. If you're a new customer, click Get Started and enter your service address. Then choose your plan and provide your billing and contact information. If you've already purchased a Starlink kit, click Activate Online on the website or use the Starlink app. Enter your Starlink identifier from the kit and your email address to complete registration. And that's it. Your Starlink account is now ready to use. And that's how to register a Starlink account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.